So we are actually in the set of MTV Girls on Top right now. Hey, that's Barkha. And she starts off with a chummi.
Chummi.
Wow, how cool is that? So, is this the office where you work at?
Yes, this is the Mumbai Masala office.
Okay. Right there, the Mumbai Masala office.
Mumbai Masala.
So what do you do in Mumbai Masala?
So I'm a journalist in Mumbai Masala, page 3 gossip journalist.
Page 3 gossip journalist.
But
Oh my god. Okay.
Jia, that's my character.
Yeah.
She is an aspiring novelist.
Okay.
तो उनको एक novelist बनना है. She wants to do serious thing, but to pay rents because she wants to keep her job.
Right.
She's forced into doing gossip journalism. और उनको वो करना.
Who forces her?
My boss. So my
Oh, your
boss,
boss, okay.
उनका नाम डायना है. But because वो मुझे इतना हैरिस करती हैं, मैं उनको डायन बुलाती हूँ.
मैं बोलने ही वाला था. Diana actually Diana.
Diana the Dian. So Dian ने मुझे करवाया gossip journalism.
Okay.
And जिया को कुछ मतलब she is not interested. उसको वो बिल्कुल star struck नहीं है. Actually she hates actors. उसको बिल्कुल actors पसंद नहीं है. So how she struggles to like get scoop. उसके पास कोई sources भी नहीं है. So it's a struggle.
Okay, let's come a little this side. I want to show your office. That's called Mumbai Masala. And she's the Masaledar queen of Mumbai Masala. She's got all the gossip. So which is the latest article that you wrote? Are you a print journalist or are you a TV journalist?
I'm a print journalist.
So she's a print journalist in MTV Girls on Top. And I think she's the top print journalist they could.
I would wish to call myself that, but my boss threatens to fire me like every second day.
Whoa. I think that's the reason she's on the toes all the time with her articles and she's giving out the best of the articles.
7th March, 6:30. Do not miss. Do not miss.
So 7th March at 6:30 p.m. you get to know the real scoop by none other than Barkha.
Jia Sen.
Jia Sen.
Yes.
Oh, Bangla.
Bangla.
Wow.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
Oi, hoy, क्या बात है. So guys, Shantanu is here with us. Are you also one of the girls on top?
I believe in Girls on Top. The character is new. I have never played a character, a musician, so I am playing that. Basically, as I said, I'm a musician and have a temperamental issues, and I'm very passionate about whatever I do in life, and love interest भी है.
Okay.
That is definitely वो में दिख गया है कौन है, ईशा है. So yeah.
Okay, so now how much do you relate to the character that you're playing and what's your character called in the show?
My character name is Sahir, and how
Sahir?
much- Sahir, yeah, R, last name. And how much I can relate, I'm just trying to figure out कि मेरे और उसमें क्या क्या similarities हैं. And काफ़ी तो नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, but yes, passion level काफ़ी है, but वो थोड़ा सरफिरा हो जाता है. Hello, सरफिरा हो जाता है वो जब एक होता है ना कुछ लोग एक्स्ट्रा जब पैशनेट हो जाते हैं तो थोड़े सरफिर हो जाते हैं, वैसा टाइप का बंदा है. सो I'm just enjoying the character because this is something very different to play and I've never really played something like that.
Okay, so you mean to say सरफिरा मतलब आप क्या है? मतलब ग्लास पास
सरफिरा
तोड़ते हुए नजर आने
नहीं
वाला
वैसा
show
भी
क्या
नहीं
सीन
है.
मतलब usually I mean
मतलब शॉर्ट टेम्पर टाइप का है.
Okay,
so
गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आ
हाँ,
जाता है.
you can never predict him.
Okay.
He's unpredictable. That
Okay.
word is familiar with the audience. So yeah.
and Shantanu in real life is very predictable and has
No,
a lot of patience.
No. I have a lot of patience.
Okay, he's got a
definitely,
lot of patience,
But I'm not that predictable.
Okay, and what's the best thing? I mean, how's it going with the girls on the sets? And जैसे कि आपने कहा कि ट्रेलर देख के पता ही चल रहा है कि रोमांस है थोड़ा बहुत and ईशा के साथ है. So how was it? I mean, with your co-stars.
It was nice. I mean, they are very different. I mean, they are not normal. They don't behave normally like actors, and I love that when my co-stars are have a different approach. They are new in industry, as in they know they have worked, but in some other fields. So as an actor, it's their debut. So I like the vibe. I like working with them, and I'm enjoying whatever I'm doing. And hopefully, people will also like the scenes that we have done.
Great. So Shantanu, I'm going to see you soon, man.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully.
I'm gonna see you guys soon. अभिषेक के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है.
Star में होगी ये. Thanks, Shantanu. So yeah, that was Shantanu who was live with us. Alright guys, so we're live with Saloni right now. Saloni, quickly tell us about the character that you're playing in MTV Girls on Top.
My character is Isha Jaising, She's a girl from Delhi. She's a TV producer. Well, the bigger dream is to become a TV producer, but that's what she does. She produces reality shows, and she's fun. She's a fun girl.
रियलिटी शो मतलब आप बिग बॉस टाइप की कोई चीज़ प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं आप लोग ऐसा है?
वो मैं आपको बताऊंगी, आप देख लेना.
अरे यार मतलब ये भी मेरा 7th मार्च तक हमें इंतजार कराने वाले हैं यहाँ
ज़्यादा दिन नहीं बाकी है. So all you want to know about
पे. The characters and the Rapo and all of it.
Rapo's wonderful. Like we actually feel like we spend a lot of time together. So we even off screen, like we're usually helping each other out with our problems, and we have like a group that we talk on all day even when we're not together.
Okay, what's the group called? Girls on Top group?
We're GOT.
Okay, it's called GOT. And it's only the three of you all.
Yeah, just the three of us. So
Damn.
I just
The most scary group ever.
yeah,
Trust
you
me.
would not want to be on.
Yeah, I'm gonna be bitched about that. I'm assuming.
And I think we're the same even on camera. Like a lot of times we feel like we're so much of our characters that it's the same on and off camera, which is really like touchwood.
Who are the three women who inspired you a lot and motivated you to do a lot of things?
I mean, I don't know three, but I can name two, as cliche as it sounds, but it's my mom and my grandmom, because they single-handedly raised me. So
Okay.
yeah, that's like they really inspired me.
So your mom and your grandmom.
Yeah, they've like raised, like single mothers raising me. So I think that more than anything like says a lot about women and strength, and look how I turned out.
Yeah, beautiful and gorgeous, right there.
Thank you.